How to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So, hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. To fix this could not refresh feed issue on Instagram, you can follow up the step. First thing you can do is go ahead and open up your device's main settings. And once you open it up, go over to connections and check your internet connection. From here, ensure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If not, you can try switching off. After that, you can just go ahead and go to your device's app store, open it up, for example, Play Store on Android, and then check for updates for your Instagram app. Go to the search and search for Instagram, and then go ahead and access and update your Instagram application. You can also try clearing the Instagram cache. So long press on your Instagram app once you locate it up. Go to the info section at the top, and from here, scroll down, go over to storage, open it up, and go over and clear the cache and also clear data if necessary. If those steps doesn't work, you can just close this or you can head back from the given settings and look for the uninstall option. Tap on it, install your device, your Instagram app. After that, reinstall the app. That should often sometimes resolve the issue. If you have tried all of the steps above and the issue still persists, you can reach out to the Instagram support team for further assistance. And that's it. For now, you may follow up those methods. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.